I low-key got an attitude, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you. I ain't even gonna hold you. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deaja, but you can call me D. If you're new for the first time, welcome. This is day 2 of my 14 days of Valentine's Day. 14 days of Valentine's Day series. I still haven't came up with a name yet. But yeah, happy Black History Month, period. And if you want to see how I came up or like created this was supposed to be neon lights Valentine's Day look, then I guess you can just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm jumping right in. I'm about to brush my eyebrows up, and I'm using my Goof Proof brow pencil, the precise one. Next, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix concealer in the shade NW40, and that's what I'm going to use to clean up under my eyebrows. Okay, so I just cleaned my eyebrows up. My camera turned off again, but I just cleaned my eyebrows up using my MAC Studio Finish concealer in the shade NW40, and now I'm about to blend out the concealer. Because if you don't, then you really just trifling, honestly. Sorry, but not sorry. Then I'm gonna set my lid in my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3. When I put this base on, I like to put it on the lid first and then move it up. Okay, so next I'm going to set my face, and the setting powder that I'm using is my Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Kalahari. Before I set, I'm going to like pat over it so I can get rid of all the creases. You don't want to set no creases. And I like to just press it in, right? And then knock off the excess. Knock off the X off. I said it again. Knock off the excess. Is it called excess? Knock off the left lock. Alright, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, I don't bake, I just press it into my face. Like, okay, so next I'm going to take my CoverGirl Natural Lash. I don't know what this is used for. I know it's not used for what I use for, but I'm using it for my eyebrows, keep my eyebrows in place. Sorry y'all, my phone storage. So yeah, I just did this with my pink Pillowies base, and I thought it was recording the whole time, but it wasn't. So I'm about to go over that with this Vivid Brights and from NYX to make this darker. Okay, so now I can do the other side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure the crease is gone first. Then I'm gonna use my pink Pillowies base from the Pillowies Makeup Academy to outline. Then I'm going back over it just like I did with this one with the same NYX. And I'm going to take my white Pillowies base, and then I'm going to create like that neon effect and draw a white line. Not gonna even lie to you, this look is testing my patience. So now I'm about to put my words, and I'm thinking about my words. It's gonna be B9. And then I'm gonna go over it with the dark pink, and I'll be right back. Oh, look at my eyelids, y'all. I'm about to get pissed off. It's giving get mad. So I'm about to go back into that white Pillowies base and try to draw a really thin white line. So yeah, I'm definitely over this. I'm over it. My phone keeps stopping because I don't have no storage and I barely have anything on my phone. So I'm just about to hurry up and finish this so I can just go. I'm so over this look. It's not even coming out right. Like, I'm about to get mad. I'm already mad, actually. Okay, so I'm about to do my lips, and I'm about to go on my Juvia's Place contour stick in Zambia and outline my lips. I low-key got an attitude, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you. I ain't even gonna hold you. So this is the final look, and I don't like it. It's giving take it off my face right now. It's giving I'm getting mad every time I look in the mirror, for real, for real. It's giving don't be mine. For real, for real. But Yeah, I really don't like I'm getting mad every time I look in this small mirror right here. But if you like this video, if you like the look, if you like to see me struggle, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time.
And rock right up to the